The car is finally out of the body shop. I have it back and it's got new wheels. Check this out. So the car is finally back from paint and I'm extremely happy with how it looks at the minute. Of course, it was in the workshop for like 2, maybe 3 weeks, something around there. It was getting the quarter repainted and the door, and we've also done the sills while we're at it, and I'm so happy we did these sills. The sills look way better in green than black ones looked awful. Now it's color coded, it matches, actually makes the car look lower as well. But yeah, I'm extremely happy with how that came out. So we've had the quarter painted here, the door, and of course the sills and the new wheels to match. The wheels are similar to the other wheels that I had. However, these are a polished lip. They look much better, much cleaner, an actual proper wheel as well. And of course the quarter looks 10 times better. It did have a big dent here. There was a scratch on the door. Obviously the sills were just battered anyway, but yeah. That quarter looks perfect, door looks good as well, and the sills, everything matching now. I'm extremely happy with that. We've also sorted a little dent that was here as well, that's gone. But yeah, extremely happy. So now the two sills, quarter and door are both painted. It makes me think about how far we've come with this car already. Just going around the car, we've put an exhaust on the car, we've put a rear bumper on the car, we've put wheels on it, we've painted the quarter, door, both sills. We've sorted out the sunroof motor as well. We've sorted 2 new wings out. We've got a new front bumper as well with the carbon splitter and all the inserts. We've actually polished the headlights. We've put new side lights in. We've put grills on this car. We've put a whole interior in this car. It came fully stripped out. We've put a whole interior in it. It's come quite a long way. We've put backlights in it, tailgate lights, and had a full polish. This car didn't actually have sensors before. Now it has sensors. We've painted the diffuser gloss black. We've done so much to this car already, and I actually forget how far we've come with it because it's almost like a rush build. I want to get done as quickly as possible. We need to sort this scratch out here as well. That's awful. But yeah, we've painted near enough every panel on this car at the minute. We do need to paint this door and this quarter because there's a bit of bubbling on the back just here. However, the way it sits at the minute, I'm extremely happy. Not even forgetting all the suspension work we've done to this car and all the engine work. We had massive problems with the engine. We've even put a whole boot in the car. It was, again, stripped out. But yeah, engine work we've had to do to this car, suspension, most panels on this car as it sits now. But I'm extremely happy, but we're nowhere near finished with this car. Like I said, this car is going show spec, and at the minute it does look really, really good, but I'm going to push this car to the absolute limit. I've learned from the Golf, and we're pushing this car to the max. But I also want to know what sort of things you guys want to see on this car. I know it's my build, however, I kind of want to see what other people's opinions are. Like, if there's anything not to your taste, what do you recommend instead? I'm kind of thinking of getting rid of the orange fog lights and putting clears in, and same on the wings as well. But what do you think? I don't know. There is plenty more I can do on this car. I think the next thing I want to do is sort the interior. The dashboard, the guy before me, he dyed it so it's black. It's actually originally in a cream interior. I've changed quite a lot of the interior trims to black already, like Alcantara style. But I want to do the dash next and any sort of interior bits. I've also got tints to go on there. But anything that you guys can recommend, I'll have a look into it and see if I like them as well, because they will be going on this car if it's a good recommendation. So let me know what you guys think about this car as it sits at the minute. Do you like the way it sits? Have I gone too far with it? Do I need to do more? Put it in the comments because I do want to know. And again, put your recommendations in, because in my opinion, I think I need to go further with this car. I want it to look the best it can possibly look. and as it sits now, I'm getting there. So from where it started, I think I've done quite well. But I just wanted to give you guys an update of what we've done to the car, how it sits as it is right now, and future plans for this car. There will be more content coming for this car now I've got it back. Like I said, there's a few bits I'm going to do next, but I want to know what you guys think I should do, because more content will be coming on this car very soon. So that is going to be it for today's video. I wanted to give you guys an update, so I hope you guys did enjoy. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I want to be pushing way more content out with this car and I don't want you to miss it. So enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.